Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Mazda CX-7, stock number 5827. This shape ran from the 11th of 2006 to the 2nd of 2012. It is an L3 4-cylinder 2.3 litre turbo petrol engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our auto L3 4-cylinder 2.3 litre turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left-hand indicator, left-hand guard, no dents, left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre, bonnet, no dents, left-hand mirror, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre, left-hand tail light, here we have our space saver, 17-inch, good tyre, steel, right-hand mirror, right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre, right-hand headlight, right-hand indicator, right front door trim, master switch, center console lid, gear stick, heat AC controls, stick stack CD player with sat-nav and a control panel, interior mirror, left-hand sun visor, courtesy light, right-hand sun visor, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio cruise and phone buttons.